Right, Tony's got something special. Oh, wow.
That's what it started like. Bought it in 2011. Start the project for a customer.
Wow. So it hasn't run for how many years?
12.
So what do you do in this situation?
Well, what we're going to do, we're going to pop the plugs out. Just put a camera down there to make sure there's no corrosion. Then we'll do a compression test just to make sure there's no stuck valves or anything. Then we'll put some oil in it, a wee bit of petrol.
And then have a go?
Yeah.
What was it like when you first saw it come back?
Joel delivered it and pushed it in there, and I looked at it, and I was gobsmacked. I said, well, bloody hell, I did that.
God, that's so lovely.
Yeah.
You're a genius, mate. That's absolutely beautiful.
Well, let's see if we can get it running. Not bad for 12 years. I think it's just a thing of beauty. I really do.